2009 Chevy Silverado 1500 before window tint. This one does have a strip and something on the front side, but the back is just the privacy from factory. This is what it looks like. You can see straight through it. This side's a little bit darker. Do inside. It's a fishbowl. Super light. So let's see how 5% looks. 2009 Chevy Silverado, 5% window tint now. 5% strip, 5% on the front, 5% on the back, 5% on the very back. Now this does have privacy on the back, just like the Journey. So the front, it was glass bowl. You couldn't tell. It was literally no privacy, no tint, nothing. The back had privacy, which is from the factory, so it makes it a little bit darker with 5%. So you can't see inside the truck. You can see a little bit on the front if the light's right. So if you're looking at light, you can see in, but if you're not looking at light, you can't. It's kind of like the Corolla, you can't really see. But that's 5% on the 2009 Chevy Silverado all the way around. Looks great. Definitely helps with heat. Super dark in here. I don't think you can really tell in the video, but sun's beating right now. I mean, the sun is out full force, and it's way cooler in here than it would be. So worth it to buy tint, guys. I can't stress that enough. One of the #1 things I do to any vehicle I have now. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop a comment. If you liked this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.